Assalamu alaikum class. So today we are going to discuss chapter 7, human population change and the environment for environmental sciences. India's population pressure. India is the world's second most populous nation with a mid 2011 population of 1.24 billion people. In the 1950s, it became the first country to establish government-sponsored family planning. India did not experience immediate results from its efforts to control population growth, in part because of the diverse cultures, religions, and customs in different regions of the country. Indians speak 15 main languages and more than 700 dialects, which makes communicating a program of family planning education difficult. In recent years, India has attempted to integrate economic development and family planning projects. Adult literacy and population education programs have been combined. Multimedia advertisements and education promote voluntary birth control and contraceptives are more available. India has emphasized that improving health services lowers infant and child mortality rates. These efforts have had an effect. The average number of children born per Indian woman declined from 4.7 in 1980 to 2.6 in 2011. Despite these gains, population pressure has contributed to the deterioration of India's environment in the past few decades. And 76% of Indians live below the official poverty line, that is less than $2 a day. India's large population exacerbates its poverty, environmental degradation, and economic underdevelopment. Okay, so let's discuss with population ecology. Individuals of a given species are part of a larger organization called its population. तो पूरी population एक species की, यानी कि जितने भी individuals हैं उस species के, उन सबको जब मिलाया जाएगा तो उसे हम कहेंगे population. तो population ecology क्या है? So the branch of biology that deals with the number of individuals of a particular species found in an area and how and why those numbers increase or decrease over time. So that is population ecology. So figure 7.1 के अंदर आप देख सकते हैं, what we learn about one population helps us make predictions about other populations. At first glance, the two populations shown here appear to have little common, but they share many characteristics. So number one, if we go to A, population of poppies growing in meadows. Populations of other flowers grows among the red poppies. ठीक है. Then wolverines corrugates on a beach. ठीक है. ये जो walruses हैं ये congregate करती हैं on a certain beach, तो ये usually एक beach के ऊपर इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, and they are in so much quantity that they can be all around the beach. Now, I don't want to explain or go into the detail of why all this is happening, so I would like you to read this portion. So, our first important question, why do populations change in size? एक certain species की population एक certain limit से ज़्यादा क्यों हो जाती है, क्यों change, कभी कम हो जाती है, कभी ज़्यादा हो जाती है, why? So that is based on one single factor, that is the growth rate. What is the growth rate? ओके, बेसिकली तो अगर पॉपुलेशन आप चेंज को देख लें तो दो मेन फैक्टर्स हैं, एक कि कितने इंडिविजुअल्स उसमें ऐड हो रहे हैं और कितने इंडिविजुअल्स में से सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. दैट इज सिंपल, कि कितनी न्यू बर्थ्स हो रही हैं और कितनी डेथ्स हो रही हैं, तो उसके बाद जो ओवरऑल बचेगा वो पॉपुलेशन का चेंज आ जाएगा ना. ये चेंज किस चीज से डिटरमाइन है? ग्रोथ रेट के साथ. ग्रोथ रेट बेसिकली इन दोनों फैक्टर्स को अकाउंट फॉर कर लेता है. So the growth rate is the rate of change or increase or decrease of a population size expressed in percentage per year. कि कितने परसेंट इंक्रीज हो रही है और कितने परसेंट डिक्रीज हो रही है, वो ग्रोथ रेट कहलाता है. Then comes in the maximum population growth. So different species have different biotic potentials. ठीक है ना, कि different species की different biotic potentials हैं, also called इंट्रिंसिक रेट्स ऑफ इंक्रीज, ठीक है ना, इसको एक इंट्रिंसिक रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज भी कह सकते हैं बायोटिक पोटेंशियल को. सेवरल फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंस द बायोटिक पोटेंशियल ऑफ अ स्पीशीज. द एज एट व्हिच रिप्रोडक्शन begins, the fraction of the lifespan during which an individual can reproduce, and the number of reproductive periods per lifetime, and the number of offsprings produced during each period of reproduction. ठीक है, सो ये कंस्टिट्यूट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एलिफेंट्स हैव अ वेरी स्लो ग्रोथ रेट बायोटिक पोटेंशियल बिकॉज they have very large time periods for a child, and again they just only have one offspring, one child, one little elephant, whereas maybe cats or mice or all these animals, they can have several children at one time, and they can have multiple, because the period is short, so they can have multiple several children during that time period. That is why their population is much higher. So biotic potential, the maximum rate at which a population could increase under ideal conditions.